Since 1951, climate change has been one of the biggest environmental challenges affecting the planet and humanity. But at the same time, nuclear technology began to appear, achieving remarkable development that could have saved the planet, had it not been for the bad view people took of it. So how nuclear technology can really help us to protect the environment and prevent climate change? Nuclear technology relies on nuclear fission and fusion reactions, mainly to produce energy. Also, the science of radioactive isotopes is considered one of its branches. Going back to climate change, which occurs mainly due to the emissions of greenhouse gases from human activities. The production and use of energy accounts for almost 2/3 of total GHG emissions. 3/4 of these emissions arose from electricity emissions. So, relying on nuclear energy as a source of electricity and powering energy, intensive processes with it can reduce GHG emissions. The applications of nuclear technology outside of electricity production are less well known, where nuclear techniques offer significant advantages over conventional techniques in measuring the impact of climate change. By using the isotopic technique based on nitrogen-15 to study the uptake of nitrogen-containing fertilizer by plants, scientists can determine the sources of production of nitrous oxide N2O in agriculture, which is a GHG 300 times more dangerous than CO2, which is important to reduce its emission. Radioisotopes play an important role in detecting and analyzing pollutants. Knowing the origins of pollutants is the first step in addressing problems with water quality. The data isotope hydrologists gather are useful in understanding and modeling marine ecosystems and water cycles. So, using and tracking the radioactive hydrogen isotopes that make up water allows scientists to understand precipitation and groundwater distribution, as well as ocean acidification and the impact of pollutants. The beginning of nuclear wasn't successful, as the reactors were previously unsafe, while now it has become 250 times safer than before. And new security protocols are applied, such as nuclear reactors that have been tested over 25,000 and a more efficient crew, while the waste is recycled and used as batteries. And once the ITER project is achieved, which is activated, it depends on the production of energy from hydrogen, which will become a giant leap in this field, allows a carbon-free environment to be created. Climate change is the most systemic threat to humankind, affecting the planet and humanity. Indeed, nuclear technology has an important role in processing the past, present, and future.